Question. Find equation of the line which is equidistant from parallel lines 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. So, given two parallel lines equations are given. Then we have to find the equation of another line which is equidistant from this. So, equidistant, we have to find equation of another line, third line, which is equidistant from the line 1 and line 2. Okay, distance between 1 and 3 is equal to distance between 2 and 3. So, how to write equation of a line? Equation of a line general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, but here we have to write a parallel line. So, parallel line, look, these equations, these are parallel lines. The ratios are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, 9 by 3 is 3, 6 by 2 is 3, then last not equal. Such type of lines are known as parallel lines. So, we can, here when we divide by 3, it is just similar to this equation. So, the first equation, 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. We can divide by 3. So, 3x plus 2y minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now, the second equation is 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now, we have to write equation of another line which is equidistant from this. So, let the equation we can take, let 3x plus 2y, that is x term and y term same, but the constant will be different. 3x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. B, the equation of the line which is equidistant, okay, which is equidistant from 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2. Now, what is the distance between two parallel lines? Distance between two parallel lines is c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square modulus. Okay, we can apply that. So, what is the distance between 1 and 3? 3x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0 be the third equation. Then we can write what is the distance. Distance between 1 and 3 is modulus c2 minus c1. So, c minus 7 by 3 by root of a square plus b square. That is why I reduce this 9x plus 6y minus 7 into 3x plus 2y minus 7 by 3. So, compare all these three equations, coefficient of x and coefficient of y are equal. Such type of equations known as parallel lines, the constant not equal. So, a square plus b square, a is 3, b is also, a is 3, b is 2. So, 3 square plus 2 square. Now, the same way we can write the next one, that is distance between 2 and 3. Distance between line 2 and 3 is c, is it c? Yes, c minus 6 by root of 3 square plus 2 square. Now, what is given? These distances are equal. So, given that modulus c plus 7 by 3 by root of 9 plus 4 is 13 is equal to modulus c minus 6 by root 13. Root 13 we can cancel. Again 2 sides modulus. So how we write without modulus symbol? One side you have to give plus or minus sign. So either c plus 7 by 3 is equal to plus c minus 6 or c plus 7 by 3 is equal to minus of c minus 6. So look at the first case. C plus 7 by 3 is c minus 6. C and c we can cancel. So we won't get the value. So this case is not possible. Okay. Now second case, minus c plus 6. C take to this side. 2c is equal to 6 minus 7 by 3. Or 2c is 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 7 is 11 by 3. Correct? So it is 11 by 6. So what is C? 11 by 6. So what is the required equation? Therefore, required equation is equal to 3x plus 2y plus c. C is 11 by 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify, cross multiply. 18x plus 12y plus 11 equal to 0. That is the equation of the required plane. Sorry, required line. Now the third one. A ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on the x-axis at point A and the reflected ray passes through the point 5, 3. Find the coordinates of A. So here xy axis, a ray through the point 1, 2. So P is the point 1, 2. A ray passing through the point 1, 2 reflected on the x-axis at point A. So this is the point A on x-axis. X-axis, the coordinates of the point is of the form x comma 0. So here I am taking the coordinates of A as A comma 0. So reflects on x-axis. After that, it reflected ray passes through the point 5 comma 3. That is the point Q. We have to find the coordinates of A. That means only the first coordinate, x coordinate is enough. So we can write the coordinates. Okay. So what we do? We use the result angle PAN. What is the name of angle PAN? PAN. What is this N? N is the normal 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular to x-axis 90 degree line. So this angle PAN, angle of incidence, isn't it? Angle of incidence. What is angle? The next angle, what is it? QAN. What is angle QAN? Angle of reflection. So you learned that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That's why angle PA, angle PAN and angle QAN are equal. Okay. So I put that is equal to, let it be equal to theta. And we have to find the coordinates of A. So A as A comma 0. Now what we do is, what is the slope of this AQ? Slope means the angle of, what is that? Angle of AQ. Slope of this angle Q means angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. If theta is that angle, then slope is equal to tan theta, isn't it? So here angle, we don't know what is that angle. This NAX, that is 90 degree, isn't it? Since this is perpendicular to x-axis, and this portion is theta. So we can write this as 90 minus theta. So what is slope of AQ? Slope of AQ is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Okay. So here I am writing angle QAX is equal to 90 minus theta. So it is tan of 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? If it is 90, tan will change to the function cot. So cot theta. Again 90 minus theta is in the first quadrant. So tan value is positive. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Now we have another line, this PA. What is the slope of that PA? This is PA. So the slope means tan of which angle? This much angle you have to calculate. How much is that angle? NAX is 90. So 90 plus theta. Okay. So slope of PA means tan of 90 plus theta. What is tan 90 plus theta? Tan 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta in second quadrant tan function is negative. So it is negative cot theta. Okay. Again, the coordinates we know, isn't it? A and Q. Q is phi 3, A is A0. So slope of AQ in terms of theta, it is cot theta. We can use the other result, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 0 by 5 minus A. And the second, that is PA. P is 1, 2 and A is A0. What is the slope of that PA? Minus cot theta, that is same as 2 minus 0 by 1 minus A. One is cot theta, one is minus cot theta. Okay. So for this minus cot theta, we can give this value. Or cot theta is equal to 3 by 5 minus A. And minus cot theta 2 by 5 minus 2 by 1 minus A. For this cot theta, I can substitute this value. So therefore, minus 3 by 5 minus A is equal to 2 by 1 minus A. Now cross multiply. So which implies minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into A, 10 minus 2A. So when we take 2A to this side, it is 5A. 5A is equal to 10 minus 3. So it is 13, or A is equal to 13 by 5. So what about the coordinates? Therefore coordinates of A ordered pair 13 by 5, 0. Okay, is it clear? Ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on x-axis at point A, then it passes through the point phi 3. What is the, we have to find the coordinates of A. Since A is on x-axis, we can take the coordinates as A, 0. Then here a normal 90-degree line, the line perpendicular to x-axis. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Now, what is slope of the line AQ? Slope of the line AQ means this 90 minus theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So slope is tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. Also in terms of coordinates it is 3 by 5 minus a. Now the slope of PA, its angle with x-axis is this 90 plus theta. So tan 90 plus theta becomes minus cot theta, and in terms of coordinates 2 by 1 minus a. Then we compare and write minus cot theta is this value. For this cot theta substitute 3 by 5 minus a. So we get the value 13 by 5 as a, coordinates 13 by 5 comma 0. The next one, prove that the product of the lengths of the perpendiculars drawn from the points, 2 points are given, to the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1 is b square. So line's equation is given, 2 points are given. From the point to the line we have to find the perpendicular distances, then find the product. So we have to get answer b square. So first we can write the perpendicular distance from the point, which is the point a square minus b square comma 0, to the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1 is the perpendicular distance from a point to the line modulus. For that x you have to substitute this. So root of a square minus b square cos theta then by a, plus the next term becomes 0 when we put y as 0. Okay, then 1 you have to take to the left side, minus 1 by root of coefficient of x square, that is cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Or I can write as root of a square minus b square cos theta minus a by root of cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Modulus, can put full modulus also, but the denominator is positive, no need of modulus. Now the second point, take the second point. The perpendicular distance, children, here I made one mistake. This by a is there, that I didn't write. When we take LCM, multiply 1 to a, then by a, then by root of cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Now the perpendicular distance from the second point is minus root of a square minus b square comma 0 to the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1 is, again you have to substitute x and y. So minus root of a square minus b square cos theta by a, second term 0, minus 1 by root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Modulus, or we can write as modulus of, minus we can take out, minus of root of a square minus b square cos theta minus a, minus is outside means it is plus a, okay, by a, then by root of cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Now we have to find the product of these two distances. So the first term is root of a square minus b square cos theta minus a by a. By root is there, then this into the second term is root of cos theta plus a. Minus is there, root of cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square into the same root plus sin square theta by b square. When we take minus outside, modulus of minus means you have to write whatever inside, that only you have to write. Okay, so actually this is in the modulus. Now denominator the same, so the root sign will go, just cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. What is in the numerator? Numerator, here I didn't write a by a. Numerator, look the numerator, root of a square minus b square cos theta minus a. Here a square minus b square cos theta plus a. That is a plus b into a minus b form. That is equal to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square outside the root. Then we have cos square theta. Then plus a minus a. That is a square minus b square means minus a square by is that by a into a. What is a into a? A into a is a square. So put the modulus sign. So that's equal to a square minus b square cos square theta minus a square. Put that in the modulus. A square is positive, outside the modulus we can write. Then taking LCM, so this a square b square in the numerator and denominator, b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. So this a square and a square cancel. Now the numerator is in terms of cos square theta, here we have sin square theta also. So sin square theta we can convert to cos square theta. So when we open the bracket, it is a square cos square theta minus b square cos square theta minus a square by, here we have 1b square also. Cos square theta b square plus a square into 1 minus cos square theta. So that's equal to a square cos square theta minus b square cos square theta minus a square. Or the numerator we can convert to sin square, that's also possible. Okay. Denominator, open it. So b square cos square theta plus a square minus a square cos square theta. Numerator one negative we can take out. So modulus minus when we take outside, that is a square minus a square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta. Minus is outside by, then into b square, denominator b square cos square theta plus a square, or we can write in the proper order. A square is there, a square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta. Okay, it's in the modulus, the whole expression in the modulus, so we can cancel. Okay, you can put the modulus symbol. Otherwise there is minus sign also, so you put everything inside the modulus. So the numerator, the expression in the numerator and expression in the denominator. B square either you can put inside the modulus or outside. B square is positive. So these two are same. Okay, modulus of minus means it is positive quantity, so we can cancel it. So we get it is as b square. The next one, a person standing at the junction, that is crossing of two straight path. Two straight path, children, let one is L1, that other one is L2. So it is two straight path, then this is the junction, P is the junction. Then a person standing at the junction wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. A person is standing at this point P and he wants to reach another path. Somewhere, it's a rough figure, somewhere this path. Then reach the path in the least time. In the least time means from this point to this line, what we have to draw? Perpendicular line. Perpendicular is the always shortest distance. Okay, so in least time find the equation of the path he should follow. So he can follow this way or this way, but the shortest one is always the perpendicular one. Okay, so we have to find the equation of the path he should follow. Let it be Q. So what is the equation of PQ? PQ is perpendicular to this line. So we can apply perpendicularity, that condition. So we need point also. How we get the point? We can find P by solving these two equations. Okay. So first we can solve the equations. 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Multiply equation 1 by 4 minus 16. Second we can multiply by 3. 9x plus 12y 15. So when we add 17x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1 by 7. Now find y. So 4y is equal to 5 minus 3x, that is from the second equation, which implies 4y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is plus 3 by 17. 17 into 5, 85, that is 88 by 17. So what is y? 20. We can cancel, it is 22. 22 by 17. So that is P. Therefore P is 22 by, what is x? Minus 1 by 17 and 22 by 17. That is P. Now from P we need the perpendicular path. So equation of PQ we have to write. For that one point we get, then we need slope also. For that find the slope of the other line. Which line? 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. What is slope of 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0? Is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 means 7y is 6x plus 8, or what is y? 6 by 7x plus 8 by 7. So slope is 6 by 7. Therefore what is slope of PQ? Slope of PQ is perpendicular to the line. So negative of reciprocal of this. Now we can write the equation of PQ. Therefore equation of PQ is y minus 22 by 17 is equal to m into x minus 17. So 17y minus 22 by 17 is equal to minus 7 by 6 into 17x plus 1 by 17. 17 and 17 cancel. 6 into 17, 102y minus 132 is equal to minus 119x minus 7, or take x to the left side, 119x plus 102y is equal to 125. So that is the required part.